kids.
Oh, so good. Oh, look at Landon.
Ella, go over there with the kids and do the hula hoop.
I'm good at it. Oh, yeah, what's that?
Can you look at the boy, Ella? Look how he does it. Ella, do the hula hoop. Can you do it like that?
You gonna try, honey?
You don't get to keep it. You just got to play with it and give it back. Want me to help you? There you go. Now pick it up. Yeah, now do it. Don't get too close. I can't take a picture. Yeah, with Clifford. Now do your hula hoop. Spin it. Spin it on your waist. Spin it. Spin it. Show her how. Show her how. No, just spin it on her. You gotta spin it on your belly.
You gotta shake your body and let it go around. Shake your body. Shake your body.
You gotta dance.
You gotta dance. You gotta
Ready? Here it goes. Daddy's gonna spin it on you.
Ready? That's what you gotta do. You gotta shake. Shake. Let me see you shake.
Just move the table with this stuff on it. If it's too heavy, dear. You got it done?
Oh, I'm sorry. Hurry up, spin it. It's getting too hot. Uh-oh. Good try. You want to try to toss it on the cone? Watch out, don't hurt anybody. Try to toss it on the cone.
What's that?
That's a beanbag toss. Can I try that one?
Let's do it again.
Ellie, you gonna toss it on the cone?
Beanbag toss.
Ellie, go toss it on the cone, sweetie.
I want to do.
If you want, you can try to match the color of the beanbag.
Toss it.
There's no black one.
Toss it on the cone. Good job.